Hello everyone, it's Peter here. Let's fight for our right to repair. We got here, okay, it's blurry, but you see DSLR is here and the keyboard is here and the scope is on. So let's switch to the DSLR, which is facing only the mic. You don't need to see me, yes. So this is a keyboard under the magnification, yes. I used this because I could share the screen from the DSLR or from the mics there straight on the how you call it, straight on the screen, but I decided to do it this way. And let's see how it will go. Okay, so what do we see here? Yes, is a rubber. Okay, this rubber, when I'm lifting, it's looking like it's lifting the whole surface from here, starting off here. See? So this is a problem, because in that case what's happening is if you want to do anything you would have to open it, so it's pretty much not fixable. Okay, so what we could do is we could, we can't touch it here and we can't open it here. If so, we would have to open where this glue is here. So this glue can be released probably by petroleum, some petrol, probably it can let go. But if I'm wrong, then it won't work. Yes. And I don't know if we can do anything apart from that. I don't see anything. I can zoom in more. I can do that. That's for sure. And we can even go as down as possible. Okay, like to the sense that I can't work underneath. Okay. But it won't change a thing here. It won't change a thing. And why it won't change a thing? Because we can't segregate these two. So it is a huge job if we want to now get all of these keys, yes, open them, clean them, apply something on them, and put them back together. You see, this is a jelly thing. Jelly. So we can't damage it. Yes, we can't damage it, because if we will damage it, it won't work. We can't like pretty much do anything. Yes, it's just two surfaces, and we would have to segregate these two surfaces somehow together. Are we able to separate them? I don't think so. It's not worth the time for sure. Not worth the not worth the time if we won't be able to segregate it. Okay, I'm trying to hold it, and I'm trying to see if we can do it. I need to have some tool to help me. And I've got a total mess today because of the shopping. So I need to find a tool which normally wouldn't take me so much, but because I've left a mess, it's my fault and I can't see it. Okay, it's not here. Such a simple thing. Oh, and the phone, which is charging, it fell down. Unfortunately, it's not our old phone, so it's fine. But it's a pickle. Oh, okay. I can see where I can place it. Okay. Yes. Okay, so it's lifted. That's why you don't have this clear view. Okay, can we go inside those two layers again? We can. Brilliant. What will happen if I would like to go in between them and segregate them? What will happen? Because if I won't be able to open it, guys, and I need to open all of them, and if I'm unable to do so, we can't fix it. So you see, we need to cut through the surface. Now we got one done. Okay, that's one surface, but we need to do for the whole keyboard like that. And if that wouldn't be enough, yes, because we could do it, we could go under. We are under, and the question is, can we do the whole keyboard like that? We need to unglue like everything, like starting off this here, okay, and that has to go in half, if it's possible, of course, because maybe not everything is splittable. And that's unknown. I can't go in between this. Like I was able to do it on the buttons, but this black surface might be different. So now the question is this different from the black part? Is there any difference in that? There's only one way to find out, but I've lost my button. So what we can do is we can start off this, no, not this mess here. Guys, take it away. We can start off this button because that's a very right bottom corner, okay? It's a very bottom right. We will be able to split it again, like the other button. Oh, we can see if I can do the split, follow the black line, the black mark. Because we can always glue it with something, but you know, just separation is a problem. Can you go to mom, please?
What?
Can you go to mom, please? Gosia, I'm recording. Okay, we can go to the black part as well.
You sure?
Yes, I'll pause and I'll take you away. Okay guys, sorry, we disturb us. I'm quite curious about it. Yeah, with children it is what it is. it's somebody say it's an advantage of working from home. Like got more interaction with kids than people who work somewhere, you know, and they see kids every so often. I can't complain that I see kids too little. I see kids a lot, and sometimes even too much. Like too much in the way that I would like to have my own space sometimes, and I can't. Okay. Not worried that I'm, you know, getting out this. I'm worried that I've done something which I don't understand here. Okay, well, it's fault anyway. And we might as well bin it, you know. So, okay. Can we go out with it? Now the question is, can we go out without destroying it? Okay. Can we stack with it, and can we try to... I don't wanna take it away. Ooh, I'm cutting the... See, that's the problem. Okay. In between? Yeah, I am in between. Okay. Guys, I think we've got it. I think we've splitted these two layers, okay? If we manage to split these two layers, there's a hope in it. There's a hope in it. But I know it's not pretty, and I know it's time consuming, okay? I know it. So I can only say to you like this: if you're suffering right now, just skip it. You know, go to another part, like skip on the video. If you're not, if you've got patience to watch it and time to watch it, then feel free to do it. Why? Because I need to do it anyway, and I've got nothing better to show you. And if we can split, you know, I want to see split it whole one key. Okay. It's split it. I know it's split it, but it's not split it. Okay. Good. Good. Okay, so we've got two layers now, guys. I don't know if I will destroy it. I don't know if I will damage it, or I will be able to move it. Okay, it's going. It's looking good to be true. It's looking good, it's only that I need to be consistent with what I'm doing here. It is halfway through on the bottom. Oh, I don't want to lose it because I need to see what I'm doing. If I'll damage it or I manage it. You can see the button on the left, it's finishing, so we're going to the top part of this button, so we soon will see the end of it, you see? Exactly, and that will be the first button done, and The worse is the start. You know, once we go with a next and next and next, then it's much easier. You know, much easier. You see, we're going to the next one already. So what we can do, we can zoom out a bit, so I will have better surface to work, because now I need to now I need to work with it after small space. Okay, I've got better move. Okay. Let it. The glue is still keep on. You'll see how dirty nails I have here. But to be true, if I want to see how dirty nails are, I would have to go back to that magnification we had. But now it's a bit too high. Okay, so you see, so this surface has to be cleaned. Yes. This surface has to be cleaned. And that surface at the top has to be cleaned. Okay, that's why we need to split a whole bunch. The question is, can we split it that easily, or we need to damage something? I see what the problem is, guys. We shouldn't do what I'm planning to do because of this. Look, I'll zoom it in. See? So this light area here, this is a connection. If we don't want to damage something, we should only split each button, like get access to this area, from the side, and check with a meter which one is a connection. If it's a connection to the to this, yes, if there is a connection to this connector, and I can check with a meter that from here there is a connection to that point, then I will know exactly if it's working or not. But you can see that it is filthy here. Yes, I think it's on the surface where it's not connecting to anything, and I think the connection is made on this side, which makes more sense. But that's how it's look like, yeah. Now it's more vivid. Yeah. So guys, I won't be doing it on the camera, but you get the idea how the keyboard is made. You get the idea how it's, you know, how it's working. And now you need to test each of these, which one connects with each of these. Yes, each of these. And then when we know which one connects, we need to test all of them. So you see why it's so much job, yes, and doing it for profit, it doesn't totally make sense. It's doable, yes, it is doable, but it doesn't make any sense. So will I do it? That's the question. To be true, I don't have 100% yes, I don't have 100% no. And the reason for that is that customer is not here anyway, which is a good thing because customer will come back after some time. Now, I can take my time and I can do it if I will have enough time. But let's see, something came, and let's see what came. Let's switch to the... Let's switch off the DSLR. Let's switch off the monitor. Okay, and let's switch on the light. something came, we will see what came. I think the buffer came and something else, because I've got a small envelope. I don't know what it is, but I would like to fix something to get stuff out from this room. Because I went to the extreme. This time I went to the extreme. And we've got some chipset. That's looking like the chipset for the subwoofer. Am I right? I just switch off the... it's looking like that. Let's open it again. I mean, let's switch on again. I'll switch on the camera again. And let's check what the chipset I got. Here. Might be, might be not. Let's turn on some light. Ooh, too bright. Okay. Oh. Will I be able to read without taking it off from this? Probably no. Oh no, yeah, 54354, because that would be the one. That would be the one which I've ordered. I want to show you, but let's switch to the DSLR. Okay. Switch it on. Let's open this. Okay. Go out. Opening the package. Okay. And let's take it away. Okay, it fell down. Come on. Can we see something? Yes, 54354. Exactly. So we can do the subwoofer next. So subwoofer would go away. And that's good because customer have a weekend now, because customer is working on the same, I think, shift what my wife does. So customer have a off. So I will probably try to fix it today and record it today. So yeah, and then let's switch on back to the camera here. And let's open. That should be a buffer. So that would be that Xbox. Finally done. Because that Xbox is waiting for like 2 weeks. Yes. So now polish. Can polish. Laugh a bit. It's a joke. No. Not discrimination. You can write in the comments below. Yeah, finally polish could polish. Okay. Let's put this baby together. Ooh, heavy. I won't get a tool to fasten it, but oh well. Oh. Nice. Okay, I look for the polish paste if I got, or paste to polish. Not polish paste. What, polish shoe paste or polish toothpaste or yeah, polish your brain. Yeah. I would like to find something really funny, not stupid as I'm doing, but if you know something funny, you can put down in comment. It can be dodgy, it can be as long as it's discriminative in a funny way, you know, I'm happy to hear it. Don't make any horny way, please, because who knows who will be reading it. But if you know of any funny way, you know, I won't feel offended. I promise I won't feel offended. I won't use it against you. And maybe somebody else will have a laugh. So we can replace this. hope I won't have to throw it to the bin. I will be able to reuse it. But it's looking something, if I would beg my wife, you know, she could make it on the sewing machine. At least that's what it looks like. Because that's looking like a stiff material and two types of material, and then this material is just the one which will hold like a wool or something, maybe some plastic, you know, but it doesn't matter as long as it holds to this. You know those you've got in jackets, those you do like that and they are zipped, yes, like, and then you've heard the noise, yes, you know, you can what I mean. And Polish can polish. Whoa! Okay, I agree. My stupid talk, it wasn't as good as this would have happened. Who would thought? Who would thought? Maybe this time won't fall down. So okay. I can charge this old babe. I've got no idea how old it is, but it has a good few years with me. And if I've got a model, I can tell you EPC 12 release date. EPC 12 release date. I know it's a few years, I know. Black & Decker 12 volt cordless electric drill driver. Okay. What? Still available? No way. Date. First available. Here is. Okay. Amazon. I can't see it. I wanted to tell you, but it is, you know, like years old. Currently available. We don't know when the item will be back in stock. Blah blah blah. First release. No. I don't know. So I can't tell you, but it. Oh yeah, there is a specification actually. Sorry, guys. First date release 2008. I'm telling you, this might have a decade, about a decade. It's an old. I didn't buy it in 2008. I think I bought it about 2010 or 11. I know that I didn't have it when I was with my ex, yes, so that would be 2008, 2010. So I bought it probably in 2011, because I bought it like at the beginning of my relationship with my wife, so yeah, let it be 2011. So we've got decade. Even if I'm wrong, it's 2012. It won't be later than that. And I don't think that this company was making it for more than 4 years before, you know, stopping and having a new model. So still working fine. Guys, I'm wasting your time. So hopefully you look enough on the fight for the right to repair to take an action with us. But we will be going into that subwoofer. We will be trying to polish the surface. I will be polishing my LEDs in my Volvo, that's for sure. And fingers crossed that subwoofer won't have more issues, so replacing the chip will lead to the standby light on, and then customer can bring in the rest of the equipment and we can test it. Yes, so we will see. Fingers crossed, and let's see you in the next video. Maybe you'll watch that with a subwoofer. Thank you. See you later. Bye bye.